Kanika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are at the Mango Mist Resort. तो आज पूरा vlog होगा मैंगो मिक्स रिजॉर्ट के ऊपर, जहाँ पे क्या क्या एक्टिविटीज़ है, रूम टूर, कब हम लोग पहुँचे, चेकआउट टाइम क्या था हमारा, एवरीथिंग इज़ इन दिस वीडियो. So let's begin. We started around 9:45 a.m. It is a drive of 1 hour 40 minutes from our place as per the Google Maps. We halted near the Meenakshi Mall in Banerghatta Road, जहाँ पे मैंने शुगर केन का ये जूस पिया and my husband had tea. After that, we again started our journey to the Mango Mist. Finally, we have reached, but this entrance is for the day outing guys, and the second entrance is for the guys who are on the staycation. Traffic बहुत ज़्यादा था, तो it took us around 2 hours 20 minutes to reach here. We have reached Mango Mist Resort. We are in the parking lot currently. तो मैं आपको इसको भी दिखा देती हूँ. This is the reception area wherein we had to complete our check-in formalities, and now we are heading towards our respective rooms. So I'm gonna give you guys my room tour. If you can see, the name of our cottage is Kohinoor. So for every cottage there is a unique name. The names resemble the varieties of mangoes. So as soon as you enter, you can see the washroom. This is the washroom. There is this mini fridge, a TV, the basic amenities, water bottle, glasses and all. There's a window here. और हम लोगों ने साइड का रूम लिया है, तो if you remove the drapes, you can see the outside view. I don't know whether you can see it properly or not. The chandelier, it's a very antique chandelier. This is our bed, the sofa, chair, and the dressing table. There's a hanger to hang the clothes. Now coming to the washroom, this is how the washroom looks like. Let's open this. This is the basin. Let's turn the tap. Oh my god, it looks like a waterfall. This is the shower and the shampoo here. You have a hair conditioner here and a body wash. It's quite cool and I'm really liking the vibe here. So abhi my husband and his friends have gone out and I'm going to take some rest before changing and then going out for lunch and some activity. And meanwhile, I'll be reading this book by Preeti Shenoy. The book is named as A Place Called Home. Shruti. So now we have come towards the place wherein the lunch is being served. तो यहाँ पे जितने starters हैं आप उनका नाम देख सकते हो. I started with Golgappa, that is my favorite. There was a variety of items in the starters. This is me and my husband munching on the wood fire pizza. The main course counters were just opposite to the live ones, and this sabudana paisam is the best thing I have had in the last few days. We are here at the pool and हमारे सारे फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे फोटो शूट करवा रहे हैं। Hi everyone, so we are back from lunch and we spent some quality time near the pool. It was crowded, so at that time we didn't go there. Now we are going to do some activities, but we will be in our swimming costume so that if crowded we can go and have fun there. So let's go. So now we are back from swimming और अभी है high tea का time, so we are going to have our The tea was being served with freshly baked cakes, palak pakoras and bhunjas. Now we are going towards the mist dance. मिस डांस से सामने आते आते हम लोगों को दिखा इंडोर एक्टिविटीज़ का सेट. टुडे वी वर नॉट एबल टू डू activity because of time crunch, but tomorrow we have decided to complete a few activities, so it's gonna start at 9 and we have to check out at 11. So let's see हम लोग कितनी activities करते हैं. तो अभी हम लोग enjoy कर रहे हैं indoor activities. The indoor games had a variety of options and we enjoyed thoroughly. After playing the indoor games, we sat for a while, had some chit chat, and now it's 8:15. तो अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं barbecue and then we'll go for the campfire. It's raining a little bit here, but let's see if the campfire works today. In the barbecue, we had both veg and non-veg platter available, and I am actually enjoying my most favorite thing, that is the barbecued prawns. You can see how content I am looking. Wood fire ऐसा कुछ खास नहीं था, except for the 6 of us कोई भी नहीं था, so we decided to go and have our dinner. After enjoying our candlelight dinner, we went to our room and played Uno and Ludo till 12:30. And that's a wrap to day 1. So hello everyone, good morning. Today is the checkout day, around 8 a.m. in the morning here. I think it has rained all night or in the early morning क्योंकि पूरा जगह भीगा है, गीला है. But it is looking so good. And you know, I feel like, away from the cacophony of all the city hustle and being in a place that can give me calm. So I'm going to show you a certain part of the resort today. I'm going for a morning walk because all the activities are gonna commence at 9 a.m. So this is the entrance. यहाँ पे एक गणेश जी का छोटा सा मंदिर है, उसके ऊपर एक बादाम ट्री है, and in the opposite you can find the board of the Mango Mist Resort. Now, as soon as you enter here, on the right hand side you have the parking lot, and on the left hand side there is a way that leads to the indoor games and few of the outdoor games. Yesterday we had come here to complete the check-in formalities. और ये है कॉन्फ्रेंस रूम इनका, जो कि रिसेप्शन के पास में ही है. In between the cottages you can find things जो हमारे रूम के पास में है. If you can see, मैंगो ट्रीज तो यहाँ भरे हुए हैं और इन्होंने फेक मैंगोज भी लगाए हुए हैं. I think you guys can see a very large wind chime. It's looking really good and unique. काउंटर में क्या क्या है? डोसा, फ्रेश जूस, फ्रेश कट फ्रूट, पूरी, आलू भाजी. माय हस्बैंड विल बी वेरी हैप्पी विथ पूरी एंड आलू भाजी. एग भुर्जी. कल वाला क्राउड पूरा ही ख़त्म हो चुका है एंड द प्लेस लुक्स सेरीन. एक और चीज़, वी वर गिवन डिफरेंट कूपन्स टू गो अहेड विथ डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़. तो हर एक्टिविटी में 3-4 कूपन्स आपके यूज़ हो जाते हैं. हमारे रूम के सामने ही फ़िश स्पा था एंड दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम इन माई लाइफ आई एम गोइंग अहेड विद समथिंग लाइक दिस. शुरू में तो मुझे अजीब सा लग रहा था बट इवेंचुअली मुझे मज़ा आने लगा. जिप लाइनिंग, मंकी क्रॉलिंग, एवरीथिंग वाज इंक्लूडेड. एंड लास्ट में हम लोगों ने किया कायाकिंग एंड आफ्टर दैट इट वाज ऑलरेडी 11 एंड वी हैड टू चेक आउट. वी मिस्ड ऑन अ लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़ बट जो कुछ भी हमने किया इट वॉज़ अ लॉट ऑफ फन. एंड लास्ट में हम लोग चले गए मॉकटेल बार टू हैव आवर वेलकम ड्रिंक जो हम लोगों ने कल नहीं किया था. एक दूसरे को सी ऑफ करते करते बज गए थे 12:30 बट वी ऑल्सो हैड टू गो बैक होम एंड रेस्ट बिकॉज मंडे से हमारा ऑफिस स्टार्ट था. Indeed, it was an enjoyable trip. So that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you all have liked it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.